First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 36 daily score booster questions starting from simplifications. Before starting the video, I want to share a good news that our channel got monetized. This happens all because of you people. Thank you so much for the support you gave to me to improve this channel. By this monetization, you all got rights to order me to make videos that you need the most by using super chat or the super thanks feature in the videos I am uploading. Hope you all use this feature very well and thank you all for your support. Let's start with our questions. Simplifications. First question. Here it is into 20 times means 1945 means here 90. This will be 38. 3890 and another 0. So we got 38900 from this. Here we have 162 into 35. I'll divide this as 2. 81 times into 2 into 35 will be 70. 7 1 times 7 8 times 5670. So we got 5670 from this one plus here it is 19 1 times is 19, 19 2 times is 38 and 1 39. So we get 399 from here equals to 120 x minus 1. So totally we have 38900 plus 5670 plus 399 and this minus 1 comes here with 400. So we have 400 here. Total whole equals to 120x. We have 0 7. This will be 10 19 9 and 5 14 4 4 970. This 0 and this 0 cancels. 12 3 times is 36 and 7 times and 4 times 0.7 times 84. We got 60. 60 means 5 times. So our answer will be 374.75 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. Here we do 16. Wait a second. I know that this is 6 and this is 6 cube. So we eliminate 6. We have 6 square 36. Now for 4 times 4 9 times. 4 5 times 20. 4 3 times 12. 4 5 times 20. Here 5 5 times 5 3 times 5 107 times. So totally we left with 107 into 3 into 9 plus 211 equals to question mark. 9 7 times 63 and 9 into 3. 3 3 times 9 9 18 and 9 27 28 288 9 plus 211 we get 0 0 1 3. So answer will be 3100. Option A is our answer. Next, third question. 20% of 420. Percentage and 2 zeros are cancelled. We left with 2 into 42. 2 times will be 4. 2 4 times will be 8. 84 plus 16% of 25. Percentage and 2 double zeros are cancelled. 16 25 times. 16 5 times is 80. 16 2 times is 32 and 8 40 400 plus 25% of 440. I can see a percentage here 5 multiple a single 0 and 2 multiple 5 times 2 22 times. So this is nothing but this one plus 17% of 220. So 17 divided by 100 into 20 220. This 0 and this 0 cancels. 17 2 times will be 34 and into 11 times means sum of these two 37.374 divided by 10 means 37.4. So the value for this one is 37.4. Here we get 1 5 2 times is 10 into 11 will be 110. So we get here 110. This plus 400 plus 84. Totally we have 484 plus 110 plus 37.4. We have 0.41, 10, 13, 5, 6, 6, 31.4 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Next, fourth question. 16.66% of 234. 16.66% is nothing but 1 by 6 into 234. 6, 3 times 18, 54 means 9 times, plus 66.66 is nothing but 2/3 of 48. This is 16 times. 16 times will be 32 plus 39 here minus 22% of 650. I can see a 2 multiple percentage, single zero and 5 multiple. So 2 11 times 5 13 times. So we get here 143 plus 272. 272 here whole equals to 20x. So we need to eliminate 3. Eliminating 3 from 9 we get 6. 6 plus 4 10. So unit digit is 0 and 1. We need to eliminate 4. We eliminating 4 left with 10. So we have 3. 3 minus 1 will be 2. 200 equals to 20x. So x value is 10. Option B is our answer. Option B 10. Next, fifth question. 1632 plus, here I can clearly see that this number is 30 minus 7 into 30 plus 7. See this one and this one. So it is look like a minus b into a plus b. The formula for this one will be a square a minus b square. So a square value of 30 square, which is 900. 900 minus 7 square 49. We get 851 is the answer for this one. Plus I can see this as 50 minus 5 into 50 plus 5. So 50 square, which will be 2500, and 5 square, which is 25. Subtracting that 25, we get 2475. So value for this one will be 2745. So 1632 plus 851 plus 2475 minus 62 into 58. This looks like 60 minus 2 and 60 plus 2. So 60 square 3600 minus 2 square 4 means 3596. So sum of these numbers minus 3596. We need to eliminate 6. So eliminating 6, we left with 2. Left with 2. Here we need to eliminate 9. 10 minus 9 will be 1. 1 plus 5 will be 6. Next we need to eliminate 5. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 8. 9. 9 plus 4. 13. We need to eliminate 3. Left with 1. So answer will be 1362. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question. Here 216 and we need to get 30. 18 12 times is 216. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. Here we have minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here 64. 64 means 8 times is 64. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next, second question. 273. Let's divide this as 391 times. 91 as 13 7 times into 3. So 21 and 13. We got 34. So the roots are plus and plus. Here minus 102. We know that 17 6 times is 102. Plus and minus means minus and plus. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next, third question. Here x square value is 1444. So x value will be 38 plus 38 comma minus 38. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables and 1 to 60 squares. Now here we have 456. Let's divide this as 4 1 times 4 1 times and 4 times. I know 114 as 19 6 times. So our roots must be 6 4 times 24 and 19 we got 43. So these are the roots. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that plus 24 and 19 comes in between these two numbers. So what it means is x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation established in between these two equations. Next question. Here we have 3 into 28. 3 into 28 will be 84. 84 and we need to get 19 means all 7 times is 84. Minus and plus. So the roots are in positive. Here y cube value is 5832. So y value is 18 plus 18. But to make the bases equal, we need to multiply this with 3. We get to plus 54. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay. Next we are going to see question number 5. Here we have 91. I will divide this as 13 7 times. 2 and 7 will be 14. 14 and 13 we get 27. Minus and plus. The roots are in positive. Here we have 2 into 42, which will be 84. 84 means all 7 times is 84 and we got 19. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. The bases are equal, so we relate these two. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. First question, there is no big differences in between these numbers, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference between these two is 5 and 8, 85. Here the difference is 9 and 6. Here the difference is 5, 0, 50. Here the difference is 4, 3. Here the difference is 17. I know these numbers are 17 factors. 17 1 times, 17 2 times, 17 5 times. So this must be 17 3 times. 51, 17 4 times, 68. So these two numbers are wrong, means the number between these two numbers is our wrong number. 115 is our wrong number. Next question. Again we are going to see differences here. Here the difference between these two is 10. Here the difference is 26. Here the difference is 50. Here the difference is 1771. Here the difference is 3, 2 and 1, 123. Here I can clearly see that this is 3 square plus 1. This is 5 square plus 1. This is 7 square plus 1. So it must be 8 square plus 1, 9 square plus 1, which must be 81, not 71. And this must be 11 square plus 1, which must be 122, not 1. This is 82. 122 but not 123. So our wrong number is 216. Next question. Here it is clear that this is into 1 times and this is into 1.5 times and this is into 2 times. This is into 2.5 times, but this is not 30 into 3 times, which will be 90, not 120. So our wrong number is 120. Next, here it is very clear that I can see this as into 3 times. 86 3 times will be 258. I know this one. Here the difference between these two is plus 3. Here I can see into 3 times. 3 1 times is 3, 3 6 times 18, 3 2 times 7. Okay, 783. It is also clear. Next, it must be same plus 3. 783 plus 3 will be 786, not 788. So wrong number must be this one. Let's see further. Into 3. 3 6 times will be 8. So our wrong number will be 788. Next, we are going to see fifth question. Here it is clear that it is into 2 times, into 4 times. and this is into 8 times. 8 4 times is 32 and 8 5 times is 48 and 3 51. So it must be into 10 times, which must be 5120, not 8194. So our wrong number is 8194. Next we are going to see missing number series. First question, it is clear that it is into 2 times, which will be 54 plus 1, into 2 times will be 110 plus 1, into 2 times will be 222 plus 1. So it must be into 2 plus 1, which will be 446 plus 1, 447 is our answer, option A. Next, second question. Here the difference between these two is 144. Here the difference between these two is 1 2 and 1 121. Difference between these two is 100. Here the difference is 81. So it is clear that 12 square, 11 square, 10 square, 9 square, and here it must be 8 square, which is 64. So 588 plus 654 will be 256. 652 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, third one. Here it is clear that it is into 3 times. It is into 2 times, into 1 time. So here it must be into 4 times and it must be into 5 times. So 18 into 5 times will be 90. 90 into 4 times will be 360. So our answer will be 90. Option D is our answer. Next, fourth one. Here it is must be into. I can see this number as into 7 plus 1. 13 7 times is 91 plus 1 will be 92. Here 9 becomes 55 means 6 will be 6 2 times 12, so it's 54 55 plus 1 into 6 plus 1. So it must be into 5 plus 1. By 3 times 15 plus 1 will be 6. Okay. So it must be into 4 plus 1. 6 4 times is 24. Unit is it is 4 plus 1 will be 5. Okay. So it must be into 3 plus 1. 3 5 times 15, 3 6 times 18, 19, 3 double 1 times 3 double 1 plus 1 means 6. Double 3 196 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see fifth question. Here looks like multiplication, but we'll go with the differences here first. Here the difference is 0. Here the difference is 9. Here the difference is 26. Here the difference is 5 and 6 65. These numbers are familiar to me as 1 cube minus 1 and 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 4 cube plus 1. So the next one must be 5 cube minus 1, which will be 124. 108 plus 124 will be 232. 232 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. For inequalities, the method we are using is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, I always said that the flow from this side to this side. If I see a symbol like this, I always said that the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the questions. First question, the first conclusion is the flow from P to D. From P we can reach to only L. From L we can reach to K and to the D. So first one will be true. First conclusion will be true. Next, second conclusion. The flow from M to K. From M we can reach to L. From L we can reach to K. But everywhere there is equal to also here. Here is equal to and here is also equal to. So this case fails. Second one is false. Let's see second question. Second question, first conclusion. The flow from K to I. From K we can reach to H. From H we can reach to N. From N we can reach to J. From J we can reach to I. But everywhere there is equal to also in the flow. So individually these two cases fails. 1 and 2 fails. But combining these two equations we have got x greater than or equals to y, and we see the same flow in our question. So the answer for this second question is either 1 or 2 is the answer. Now we are going to see question number 3. The flow from V to W. From V we can reach to T, or we can able to reach to H. From V we can reach to H, from H we can reach to W. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from T to H. From T we can reach to V, from V we can reach to H. But here we have equal to here and equal to here. So in our question we have the flow from T to H with everywhere equal to also, but we don't have equal to in our conclusion. So second conclusion will be false. Fourth question, the flow from Z to H with everywhere equal to. From Z we can reach to E, from E we can reach to H. Here we have equal to and here also equal to. So there is flow from Z to H with equal to. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from W to P. From W we can reach to E, from E we can reach to Y but not to P. So second conclusion will be false. Fifth question, the flow from B to M with everywhere equal to. From B we can reach to G and U but not to M. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from K to X. From K we can reach to B, G, U but not to X. So second conclusion is false. From this question I want to explain one more concept. Here X is nothing but we can write as M. So first conclusion we have B greater than or equals to M. Second conclusion, instead of X we can place M. Instead of K we can able to write B. In between those two we have greater than symbol. So we have B is always greater. So we got neither nor for this question. Neither 1 nor 2 is the answer for this question. Instead of greater than symbol, if we have a lesser than symbol, we see B is greater, B is lesser, B is equal to M. So then we get answer as either 1 or 2. But present we got neither nor because of the symbol greater than. So have you clear about this question or doubt? So anyone have any doubt in this question? Let's see syllogisms. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question, only Z is K. So K is inside Z and doesn't share with anything except Z. Now second one, few U or Q, every W or Z. So every W or Z means W is inside Z. Okay, some Q is W, some part of Q is sharing with W. Few U or Q means some U or Q means here. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion, few Q or Z. Q here and Z are here, they are sharing some part. So few is nothing but some. So first one is true. Second conclusion, few U can be W. Few means some U can be W. Some U can share with the W. S we can share as a possible diagram. So it is true. Next, second question, only a few gray is are red, few purple or gray. Few purple or gray means some purple or gray. Only purple is black. So black is inside purple and doesn't share anything except purple. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion, few purple or red is a possibility. Means some purple is sharing with red is a possibility. Purple can share some part with red. It is true. So first one is true. Second conclusion, all purple is red. All purple is red. There is no direct relation between these two and it is a direct conclusion. So second conclusion will be false. Next, third question, only a few Uber or Ola. Few Ola or Rapido. No Uber is Lyft. Let's see conclusions. All Ola being Lyft is a possibility. All Ola can be placed inside Lyft. No, it is not possible because of the sharing of you. Let's see second one. Some Uber are not Ola. We see not here. So we check all Uber can be Ola. All Uber can be placed inside Ola. No, it is not possible. All case fails means some not case will be true. All case fails. So some not case is true. In the first question, we cannot able to do. Now we are going to see question number 4. Few worker time, few efficiency or distance. Only a few distance or speed. Few speed or time. This is speed. Only a few distance or speed. Few efficiency or distance. This one. Let's see conclusions. Some distance or time. It is direct conclusion. Some part of distance is sharing with time. No. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. No efficiency is work. We check some efficiency can be work or not. Some part of efficiency can share with the work. It is possible. Some case possible means no case will be fails. So neither one nor two. Next, fifth question. Only a few profit or loss. Only gain is gross. Few gain or net. No net is loss. So no net is loss. Few gain or net means some net or gain. Only gain is gross. So gross is inside gain and does not share with anything except gain. So gross is inside. Let's see conclusions. All profit can never net. Never. We see never here. So we check all profit can be net. All profit can be placed inside net. No, it is not possible because of sharing with loss. L. So first conclusion, all case fails. All case fails means all never case will be true. Second conclusion, 100% gain being profit is not a possibility. 100% means all gain being profit is not a possibility. First we check leaving this not. All gain being profit is not, sorry, we check all gain being profit or not. All gain can place inside profit. Is it possible? No, because gross cannot be shared with anything except gain. So all case fails. So not case will be true. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Let's see this puzzle. 8 people are studying 3 different colleges, Harvard, Oxford and Yale colleges. So colleges are Harvard, Oxford and Yale. Let's see the statements. Okay. At least 2 people but not more than 3 people are studying in the same college. So at least 2 people, not more than 3. Next, Rose neither studies Yale College nor studies at the same college as Grace. So Rose does not study in Yale means might we study in here Oxford or in the Harvard. Okay. And Rose does not study with Grace. Does not study with Grace. Next, Luna neither studies Oxford nor studies Harvard. Luna does not studies in these 2 colleges means Luna studies in Yale only. Luna. Okay. Next one. Ruby does not study Oxford. So Ruby does not study in Oxford. Amy and Grace are studying at same college but not studying at Harvard. So there is only one place here. We have Amy and Grace here. In this case, we can place Amy and Grace here, or we can place Amy and Grace here. So we got one more possibility. Rose here, Luna here, uh, Grace and Amy. In this case, Grace and Amy also here. So we have three possibilities with us. Let's see further statements. Only Lily studies at the same college as Ella. So Lily and Ella only studying in a college. None of the other studies with them. So we have this place, these two people's place only here, Lily and Ella. Let's see in this one. We cannot able to place Lily and Ella here or here or here. So this case fails. In this case, we can place Lily and Ella here. Okay. So we have now two possibilities with us. Now in this case there are three persons, so no another person can able to sit here. In this there are no people to allow, sorry, none of the people sits with Lily and Ella in this college. So there is only one place here to sit Ruby, but Ruby cannot sit in Oxford, so this case also fails. Let's see this one, the last case. We cannot place Ruby in this Oxford. So here we have 1, 2 and 3 people. We cannot place Ruby also here. So the only place for Ruby is this one. So how many people we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we left with one more person, which is Kate. Ella and Kate. So the last person is Kate. Ella and Lily are the only two people sitting with each other in this college. So here we have completed three. So there is only one place for the Kate in this one. So what we got is this one. In Harvard, Kate, Ruby and Rose are studying. In Oxford, Lily and Ella are studying. In Yale College, Grace, Amy and Luna are studying. Let's see the questions asked. Four of the five are alike. Let's see which one is odd one out. Amy and Rose. Amy here and Rose is here in opposite in different colleges. Ruby and Grace. Ruby here and Grace is here. Different colleges. Katie and Ruby. Katie and Ruby are in same colleges. So answer will be option C is our answer. Let's see further options also. Rose and Grace. Rose here, Grace is here. Luna and Ruby. Luna here and Ruby here. Different colleges. So our answer will be option C is our answer. Next question. Which among the following pair of people are studying in Harvard's? In Harvard's, Kate, Ruby and Rose are studying. So answer will be option E. Kate and Rose is our answer. Okay. Next. Third question. Who among the following person studies in the same college as Ruby? With Ruby, Kate and Rose are studying. So A and C are studying. So our answer will be option D is our answer. Next, fourth question. If Rose is related to Kate, if Rose is related to Kate and Amy is related to Luna, so they are in same colleges, talking about the relation. Then who among the person is related to Grace? So related to Grace, there must be Amy and Luna. Two people are with him. Want to see the Luna, but here it is Lily. So the one who studies in the Yale College. So answer will be with Grace. The people who studies in Yale is with Grace. So answer will be option B. Next, fifth question. Which of the following statement is true as per the given arrangements? Only three people are studying in Oxford. In Oxford, there is only two people. So first one is false. Ella studies in Harvard. No. Kate and Luna studying in different colleges. Kate here and Luna here. Yes. So our answer will be option C. By this, we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.